Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about a topic that comes around every spring. Spring cleaning. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by clutter? Like your living space just doesn't feel quite right? Well, spring cleaning can be a fantastic way to refresh your home and create a more comfortable and healthy environment. We'll look at some decluttering tips and organization hacks to make your space amazing. And of course, new English vocabulary. Overwhelmed means feeling stressed and unable to cope because there is too much work, information, or too many problems to deal with. We were overwhelmed by requests for information. Clutter means things that are in a place where they don't belong and make a space look messy. Clutter can be clothes you don't wear anymore, papers that are piling up, or anything else that takes up space and isn't being used. A hack is a clever way to do something that makes it easier or faster. Try this breakfast hack to save time in your busy mornings. Okay, let's get started. We just learned what clutter means. Can you guess what decluttering is? Decluttering is simply getting rid of unwanted items that are taking up space in your home. It might be clothes you no longer wear, old magazines, or random things shoved in drawers. Why is it important? Well, a cluttered space can feel overwhelming and stressful. Decluttering allows us to breathe a little easier and appreciate the things we truly use and love. So, where do we begin? Here are some practical tips for different areas of your home. Clothes. Be honest. Do you really need those 5 pairs of ripped jeans? Donate items you haven't worn in a year, and fold your clothes in a way that saves space. Paperwork. We all have papers piling up. Sort your documents, recycle old papers, and shred anything confidential. Donate. To give something to someone or an organization for free, usually because you don't need it anymore and someone else can use it. You can donate your old clothes to a charity that helps people in need. Shred. To cut something into very small pieces. Confidential. Information that is private and should not be shared with others. Time to shred all those confidential documents. Surfaces. Clear countertops, tables, and shelves. This creates a sense of calm and allows for easier cleaning in the future. Let's not forget the corners and under the furniture. Time to say goodbye to dust bunnies. Little balls of dust that collect in hard-to-reach places are called dust bunnies. Now that we've decluttered, let's talk about keeping things organized. A little organization goes a long way in maintaining a clean space. Here are some clever hacks. Labeling. Labels are your best friends. Label shelves, drawers, and containers so you know exactly where things go. Containers and dividers. Use storage containers and drawer dividers. This helps prevent clutter from spreading and keeps everything neat and easy to find. Use hanging organizers in your closet. Try vertical storage solutions like file organizers or stackable containers. Remember, spring cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Take it room by room. Use the tips we talked about, and you'll be surprised how quickly your space transforms. Trust me, the feeling of a clean and organized home is truly amazing. So, are you ready for your own spring cleaning? Get started today and let me know how it goes. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for mastering English as a second language, be sure to subscribe to my channel.